Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, MP3, panoramic sunroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2022 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior look, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.